In this video we show how to install sensor dish readers in a shaker with the clamp system for PreSens SDRs. This way you can use your SDRs for monitoring in shaken cultures. The clamp system is available for 2 or for 4 SDRs. Unlike the standard clamp system, these systems have more space between the pillars near the ground plate. Start with attaching the clamp system to the shaker tray with the included screws. 6 screws for shaker platforms from New Brunswick or Eppendorf and 8 screws for platforms from Kuhne or Inforce. Place the clamp system in a center position on the tray and make sure it is screwed on tightly. The SDR has 4 rubber feet on the bottom. For use in a shaker, you must remove the feet, like you can see here, otherwise the reader won't fit in the clamp system. The feet are not necessary for use of the SDR in a shaker. To prevent fluorescent media or products to interfere with the optical measurements, we recommend using an optical shielding mask that is placed between the defoil dish and the reader. If you are unable to remove the shielding mask after the measurement, you can use the small tool delivered with the mask to pull it off. Now you are ready to set up the clamp system in the shaker. Push the SDRs into the clamp system from the side. Then place the filled plates with shielding mask and sandwich cover on the SDR. Fix the SDRs, plates and covers with the clamps. Of course, it is also possible to insert and fix the plates in the shaker if the clamp system and the SDRs are already installed. Connect the SDRs with the short cable. And do not forget to close the last connector with the end cap, so no humidity can enter the reader and damage it. Use a port to lead the connection cable for the splitter outside. Place the tray with the clamp system in the shaker and connect the splitter cable to the SDRs. If there is no access port in your shaker, the cable to the splitter can be led through the incubator door. The black flat part of the cable must be located at the door's ceiling, like shown here, to ensure the door closes properly. Take care that the cable is not bent unnecessarily and that it does not hit the incubator wall while shaking. If you cannot remove an unused SDR because the measurement on the other SDRs are still running, please put an old or empty plate between the SDR and the clamp. Never put the SDR clamped into the system without a plate on top. The pressure from the clamp will break the SDR's glass plate on top. The sandwich cover can be autoclaved after use. It is not necessary to remove the layers for this. Use a sterilization bag or wrap it in aluminum foil, autoclave it for 20 to 30 minutes at 121 degrees Celsius and let the cover dry afterwards. This is how you use the clamp system and your SDRs for monitoring in shaken cultures.